Martin. Foreign investors are interested in corporate bonds in Ukraine. Just at one point, I will remind you that for corporate bonds, there is no clear stream link to Ukrainian system, custodian system.
I just mentioned a couple of points. The first one is obviously what can be done is to issue, if it's a big enough size, a Eurobond-style financial issue, as has been done by banks historically, also in Ukraine a couple of times. That's something which could still happen in the future, which would allow financials in particular to borrow in larger sizes in a Eurobond form, but in local currency. That's something which obviously would be specifically focused more on international investors. Nevertheless, the question is, now that government bonds are Euro-clearable, will there be such a broad investor base for Eurobonds in UAH? And obviously it will be a form of competition because you can actually access the underlying government bond yield curve in UAH easily now. In terms of specific local issues, domestic law, the hurdles are high. Obviously, as you say, from a settlement perspective, you have one topic. The other one is one of information costs. The average investor sitting in London, even if he or she has a corporate bond EM mandate, obviously only has 12 hours, 24 hours in the day. And to look for a $100 million equivalent local corporate issue obviously requires the same information cost, if not more, than looking at a $1 billion issue. So what I'm saying is that it will be a very, very specialist market, and in that market there would be demand for spread pickup. So I think it would remain a more domestically focused market for now.